Quick payroll demo. Today I'll walk you through how BuddyPunch seamlessly integrates time tracking with payroll, making the process super easy, customizable, and flexible to meet your needs. First off, BuddyPunch directly integrates with our time tracking system, which means all your employees' hours automatically sync into payroll. No need for manual entry or downloading spreadsheets. Everything flows effortlessly from punch in to paycheck. Once payroll is added to your account, you're going to want to go to the payroll dropdown and go to people. All of the workers that you have entered into time tracking will appear on the screen. And similar to here where it says create profile, you're going to click create profile and choose whether that worker is a W-2 or 1099 contractor. On this screen, you're going to enter their hire date, date of birth, pay type, and their home address, and click Save. Once those few details are entered, it's going to appear like this employee here where it says needs attention under their onboarding status. You'll click View next to their name, and you have two options to complete the employee's onboarding. You can send an onboarding email to the employee with the email address that we have on file, or as the administrator, you can finish the setup for them. On this screen, you're going to enter the employee's social security number and choose whether or not they want to opt out of receiving a paper copy of their W-2 statement. The next step would be to enter the direct deposit information. Employees have the ability to enter multiple accounts, since some of them do like to allocate wages to multiple accounts. And from there, you're going to finalize their W-4. After you've completed the onboarding for all of your employees, their onboarding status will show here as completed. Okay, now you are ready to run payroll. You'll go to the payroll dropdown, click Run Payroll, and choose the pay period that you'd like to process. From there, you're going to click Run Report. And all of the active employees that have punched in and out are going to appear on the screen. Over here under the status column, you're going to be able to see if their time cards are still in the draft status, if they've been submitted but are pending approval, or if they've been approved. If all looks well on the screen, you're going to import the time into payroll. BuddyPunch allows you to run payroll as often as you need, whether it's bi-weekly, weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. You also have the option of running off cycles at no additional cost. If all of the employees have been imported, you do have the option to add additional earnings that aren't captured with their punching in and punching out. You can expand the employee that you would like to add additional earnings to and click New Earning. In this example, I'm going to choose bonus. And if everything looks good, you can now preview payroll. This is a great screen to capture any mistakes. So if you have any part-time employees that you see high earnings for here, that will kind of prompt you to go back to the time cards and make any necessary adjustments. Here under the payment method, you're going to see who is set up for direct deposit and who is set up for manual paychecks. You can view the hourly breakdown again. And any post-tax deductions that employees have set up. If you offer benefits to your employees, you'll be able to view which benefits are going to be applied to this payroll. On the left side down here under cash requirements, you'll be able to see the exact amount that's going to be debited from your account. If all looks well, you're ready to submit payroll. Once payroll has been submitted, you can go back to the payroll dropdown and click View Payrolls. For the payrolls that you've just submitted, the payroll status will say Processing. For all past payrolls that have already been processed, their payroll status will show as paid. You have the option to download the cash requirements report and the payroll journal entry. Additionally, after each payroll, you can view all the tax deposits that Buddy Punch makes on your behalf. After each quarter ends, all of your quarterly statements will be downloaded into your account. You can view those quarterly returns by going to the payroll dropdown, clicking Documents, and Tax Documents. You also have the payroll summary, payroll journal, payroll cash requirement, cash or contractor payments, and W-2 preview. That's a brief overview of how Buddy Punch simplifies payroll. If you'd like to explore any of these features in more detail or have any questions, feel free to ask.